Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here today. Thank you for taking precious time out of your day to spend it with me to see what I have to show you. So I have another diamond painting from Amazon. And I want to show you and share it with you. So let's see if I can pull it out of this box. Sorry about that. And it is another Diamond Dotz. So it is also a Thomas Kinkade. So Diamond Dotz, or actually Amazon, was having a sale on Diamond Dotz from Thomas Kinkade. So I went over and I got these for a very good price. I went to the Diamond Dotz website and actually Amazon was selling them cheaper. So I got it off of Amazon because I get free shipping, and at Diamond Dotz they do charge you a shipping price. So this one, last time I did check, was still available. And so this one is a 50.8 by 40.6 centimeter design size, or 20 by 16 inch. Fabric size is 58.8 by 48.64 centimeters, or 23.1 by 19.1 inches. And this one is called the Sea of Tranquility, and it is an intermediate. Again, it is Diamond Dotz, and it is an image by the artist Thomas Kinkade. So I will get the toolkit out just to do a quick look. So you get your pen, you get your squishy, you get some baggies, you get some wax, and then you get your tray. So that's what comes in this kit. Awesome. Now I love Thomas Kinkade images. Thomas Kinkade was in my grandma's house. My mom had some prints from Thomas Kinkade hung up in her house. And he just has some very beautiful, beautiful images. So we're going to look at this one. And this one has 27 colors. I'm going to have to give it a little roll back, guys. Going to have to give it a roll back. It's not wanting, it's not even wanting to unroll. Now these canvases do have the scalloped and perforated edges to prevent fraying. I don't like the way they do some of these. It's got a funny roll to it. Roll one part of it one way and one part of it another. And it looks like there's some grease spot or something on this. That's okay. It won't show through the painting. That's what matters. So I'm going to roll it this way to begin with. And I'll roll it this way. Okay. All right. And then we'll get it, I'll straighten it out. We'll get it straight. We'll get it flat. This is licensed artwork, as I said, by Thomas Kinkade, Diamond Dotz. Round drill. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing here. The Sea of Tranquility. And you guys, look at that. Look at that. The lighthouse back there. There's a boat over here. The sailboat on the water. The trees, the beach. The rocks. And that beautiful sky. I think that's gorgeous. And the colors in this are a little muted here. Now, we'll look at the colors in just a second. This does not have any special drills in it. It doesn't need, Diamond Dotz doesn't need special drills. They're super, super shiny. But look at that. You guys can see the rocks, and the water, the boat, the trees, the clouds. This is just gorgeous. I wish this would lay down just a little bit better. Now, Diamond Dotz is a lot of symbols, uppercase letters. There's no numbers in this one. Just symbols, uppercase letters, lowercase letters. And here is your drill field. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh my goodness, I love it. And so Diamond Dotz, their drills, I'm sorry I didn't show you this. This is just an instructions in all kinds of different languages on how to diamond paint. So if you've never diamond painted before, you have instructions included with each Diamond Dotz kit. But anyway, so the colors. Yeah, let's look at the colors. These colors are gonna pop on this canvas. Yes, there's grays. That's a big bag of sand colors. Of course, you know, it is a landscape. Look at those yellows. Yes. Very kind of muted colors, but there are some bright yellows in there, greens, but some, I can't think of, like, burgundy color. Wait, there are ABs. Here's some ABs. I didn't think it had any. What number is that? Number 27. Oh, the 5000s. Okay. So there are light 80s in this one. But my goodness, y'all, look. I think it is so gorgeous in those greens. I love it. I do love it. As I said, the canvas isn't as bright as the drills are, so when this is done, I think it is going to be just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have to find some time to do this one, I think. I love the church as well, but this one has only 27 colors, as I said, but wow. So you guys let me know what you think about this. And I want to say thank you for coming by and spending your time with me. You guys remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind always, even when others aren't kind to you. Give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you're going to make for that person. You never, ever know what they're going through. So, that being said, God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, I'll see ya. Bye now.